Hey everyone, this is Daryl, also known as the Average Excel User. In this video, I'm going to be using Microsoft Excel to figure out what the best gun in Apex Legends is. Now before I begin, I have two main points to go over. The first point is that I'm going to be using base damages only from the training area within the game. And what this means is that I won't be using any attachments at all on the guns. The second point is that the best gun to me is the gun that takes the least amount of time to kill an enemy. Now let's take a look at my dataset. In my dataset, I have columns with black headers. This is my starting point. In my first column, I have a list of all the weapons within the game. The second column is the damage done to the body. The third column is the damage done to the head. And the fourth column is the number of bullets in a magazine. Now in order to get to these last two columns, time to kill columns, I need to fill out these columns here with blue headers. The first column that we need to fill out is the number of seconds it takes to empty the magazine. I looked online trying to find this information, but I couldn't find a consistent set of values. So instead, let's go into the game and figure this out ourselves. Now that we know the number of seconds it takes to empty the clip of each weapon, we can start calculating the rate of fire for each of the weapons. So what I'm going to do is click this cell here, type in equals, and to calculate the rate of fire, it's the bullets per magazine divided by the number of seconds it takes to empty that magazine. So in this case, the alternator has a rate of fire of 10.13. So that's 10.13 bullets per second. So I'm just going to fill the rest of the column like so. Now I can calculate the damage per second to the body by multiplying the rate of fire by the damage done to the body. So we know it's going to be the rate of fire times the damage done to the body. So the alternator has a DPS of 131.65. Now to calculate the damage per second to the head, we take the rate of fire and we multiply it by the damage done to the head. In this case, it's 192.41. Alright, now that we know the DPS to the body and to the head, we can calculate the time it takes to kill if all the shots hit the body or if all the shots hit the head. So to calculate the time to kill, we need an arbitrary health pool or HP number. So let's just do 100 to keep things simple, and that's what you start off with at the start of the game. So if we take 100 HP and we divide that by the damage done per second to the body, we get an answer of 0.76. So what this means is that for the alternator, it takes 0.76 seconds to kill someone with 100 health if you shot at the body only. And then to calculate the time to kill for all headshots, we take 100 HP and we divide it by the damage per second to the head. And for the alternator, that comes out to 0.52 seconds. Okay, so now that my data set is complete, what I'm going to do before I end this video is create a graph so we can visualize what our results are. So let's take a look at the time to kill only. So in our chart, by my definition, the best gun in the game is clearly the Mastiff, as the Mastiff has the lowest time to kill, both for shooting at the body as well as shooting at the head. Now, it's a little unfair because the Mastiff is one of the best guns, it's a legendary gun, and it's not seen very often during games. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a filter to the headers up here, and then I'm going to filter for the smallest to largest for the time to kill to the body. This makes things a little clearer. So if we're going to go by the time to kill with body shots, like I said before, the Mastiff is number 1, the Prowler is number 2, and the Devotion is number 3. Now if we go by time to kill with headshots, they'll look a little different. We got the Mastiff, Devotion, and then Spitfire. Pretty interesting stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite gun is in the comment section below. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, I'd really appreciate it. If you want to see more content like this in the future, hit the subscribe button. I usually do Excel oriented videos, but once in a while, I like to do these type of analysis videos, especially since I've been playing a lot of Apex. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.